Hair, laid ass fat. Fuck that job, I ain't going back. Hey y'all, let's get started on the maintenance or the glow up. Okay, so I have all my nail tips right here. Like I said before in a previous video, I cannot find the other ones of these. I can only find 7. So I can only do 7 at a time, not 10 at a time. I'm gonna take y'all through my process. First of all, I bought press-on nail things. It comes with a little roll of tape, of double-sided tape. And nail tips are these Mox Luck false nail tips, but these are like for press-on, so it's not like a big gap between, like, because you can't do it with Gel X, because Gel X nail tips have a apex for you to fill with gel. These you can just glue onto your natural nail. So that's what I do. First step, after you find your sizes, file down the nail. So it's shiny. It should be like matte. So we're gonna file it down. You can either use a hand file like this. This one is 180. Me personally, I like to go in with the drill file first. I have this drill file and I have this drill bit. I think I'm gonna use this drill bit until I feel like it's dull, and then I'll switch out to another one. And as y'all can see, I started filing it down. I recommend doing this and watching a show. Right now I'm watching Love Island. I'm really behind, so I need to catch up. I use this file to actually just dull this, but I'm gonna use my hand file to get the shape correct. So I'm gonna just go up and down on the sides and then the front of the nail. So on the side of the nail and then the front of the nail. Okay, so I'm done. And now I'm gonna clear my station. So I'm gonna wipe off the nails with acetone just to get off the extra dust. Okay, so I did like 3 coats of this polish. C337. That's what it looks like. Super cute pink. Now I want to do like the blooming effect on the ring finger and the pointer finger. I'm going to take my base gel and just do a coat over top of that. The base gel, not the top gel. The base gel. I'm going to use the shade C131 and I'm going to put it on my palette. I have this palette right here. I've been looking for this and it's been in my face the whole time. I'm going to use a dotting tool. I think this is the biggest one I have. And just cover it in the nail polish. And then I'm going to just tap it on the sides. So now the nail is looking like this. So y'all can see I did like the blooming gel on the index and the ring finger. Okay, so I'm sorry y'all, Love Island is really something. Like I'm not liking none of the boys, like, but here is the update. So I put on the top coat. For this one, I just did like the chrome powder. Not the chrome powder. It's like the magnetic thing. The magnetic nail polish. And for this one, I tried to do the same as this one. This one is like the 3D effect with the gel and the acrylic. And it turned out amazing. But for this one, not so much. And I think it's because of the magnetic powder that's inside of the gel polish. So since that's so fucked up, we're going to cover it up. Okay, y'all, it's time for me to lock the fuck in. I forgot what day I came to y'all last, but today is Wednesday. It's Wednesday night. I have to do my clusters, eyelashes. I like to do those before I go to bed, so then when I wake up in the morning, like, it's no burning or anything. Okay, y'all, when I say that it's no burning, I feel like when you first put them on, it's a little bit uncomfortable, but like if you put them on right before you go to sleep, right? The key word here is right. If you put them on right before you go to sleep, if you put them on right before you go to sleep, you're gonna wake up and they're gonna feel normal. Like, it's not gonna feel you have them on, it's gonna feel normal. The update is Today is Wednesday. Toes are done. Press on nails are made, done. What I feel like the last two things I have to do are my clusters and my wig. So I think what took me so long is that I've been debating on doing a wig, or like doing a glueless wig, or doing like a glue down wig, a lace front. And I've come to the conclusion that I'm doing a glueless wig. I'm gonna do a whole separate video on how to blow dry your hair when I take out my braids from under the wig, whenever that is. When I take out the braids from under the wig, I'm gonna make a whole separate video on how to blow dry your hair. Because I always see like, it's this a TikToker who's a braider who also makes TikToks, and she always do the blow dry test where if she can't get through the ends of your hair, you didn't blow dry your hair right. Which earlier I was able to get through, but since it's been all day, you're not able to get through right now. I want to make a video to show everybody how to blow dry their hair the correct way. This shit took forever in my opinion. Time to moisturize her scalp. I feel like it's this oil making my hair grow.
You pouring that shit on like you a salad.
Shut up.
Because she's a pirate that I caught. Oh, I should put this on. He does not live in the same city that I live in. Yeah. I think he has a tracker on her, to be honest. I just checked.
Okay, you guys, as y'all can see, the eyelashes are done. So like I said, the nails are done. The lashes are done. I'm gonna bring my curling iron so that I can curl my hair while I'm there. I'm not gonna curl it beforehand because I'm going to the beach tomorrow, so I know for a fact. And also, I want the curl to be fresh for the photo shoot. I think I'm gonna start getting ready for the photo shoot at 10, just so I know everything is in order, how it's supposed to be, y'all. This wig is so soft. Okay, y'all, so the last part of preparing for a trip is packing everything. So first, I like to start off with my makeup stuff. So I have a list on my phone of what I'm packing. Foundation, check. Cream bronzer, primer, liquid blush, concealers, my 2 makeup palettes, mascara, my highlighter and my brow gel, a 1 size powder, my palette for my foundation. I'm bringing all of these lips. And my brushes in this bag I got from my old job. Fuck that job, I ain't going back. Hair laid ass fat. Fuck that job, I ain't going back. Foundation brush, powder brush, contour brush, blush brush, this brush. I don't think I want to do my makeup, but I'm going to bring this brush. And my eyeshadow, but I'm going to bring that brush. Gotta bring her. She come with me everywhere. I gotta bring her. Spoolie. I'm putting these with my makeup stuff. This sponge. Where's my concealer brush? Concealer brush. I'm not forgetting anything.